Hey, you're here. Okay.
Yes, so where are you going to today?
Business, of course. Business.
Mm-hmm. And Peter, why didn't you touch me the other day?
Well, why am I supposed to touch you when we know that we are about getting married? When we get married, we'll have enough time together. So I don't need to be worried.
Really? I don't want us to be together today.
Today,
Yes.
well, since I'm outgoing for business. Well, that's what my baby wants. Alright. Where are you?
What do you mean? Are you a baby? Are you a child?
I told you to wait until let's get married. Who is that? Hi.
The idea coming to this house is not be touching me. I'm feeling hot. I don't know.
I've told you to calm down. Calm down. I've told you.
If you're not going to do it now, then you forget about it.
Come, it's not like that. But since you insist, alright, fine. Are you hungry?